Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today I will like to show to you the way how to have or how to make your video have aggressive shakes by CapCut application. So here I already prepared the CapCut and the project. So this is the original video. Since the girl here is hearing the music, so I would like to add the aggressive shakes effects. So to do that, you just need to take a look on this bottom side over here, and then you just need to go click this effects, and you just need to go click this video effects. So to make you easier find the effect, you just need to go click in the search button here, shakes, and then you just need to go click done, and then you just need to looking for what type of shakes that you want to have. So here there will be like several shakes that you can get, and I will like to use this shakes type, and then you just need to go click cancel and go click this checklist button and make sure that this effect is applying into the whole video by drag this point into the end of the clip. So this is the result. So that is the way how to get crazy or aggressive shakes for your video. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.